We spent 21 days in India traveling to 10 different cities by car, plane, train, boat, and rickshaw. India is a most amazing place for sights, sounds, fascinating religious ceremonies, and wildlife safaris. Highlights included visiting the Taj Mahal, tiger safaris in 2 national parks, the Sikh Golden Temple, the Beatles Ashram, the sacred Ganges River, and I can't leave off the yummy food. We also enjoyed shopping and people watching in Delhi's Old Market and various markets in other cities. We were treated royally by our guides and drivers in each city. The people we met were kind and welcoming. Enjoy each episode. We're on our way from Ranthambore to Agra, the site of the Taj Mahal. We've probably got about a 6-hour drive today with Raj, our amazing driver. Be careful, be careful.
The guy is selling the key ring. All packet is 200 rupees and each one 20 rupees. He can't speak and listen. It's totally dumb. So just help him. We are here. We have 2 different places which is called Fatehpur and Sikri.
Oh,
yeah. Sikri. Sikri means old village. There all the stone cutter was living there. It's in case any building will break, like they will break, damage, so those family come to repair.
Still now?
Still now. So they're doing a worship in there every day in the morning. Unfortunately, right now we don't have the idol of Krishna because British people are took everything.
Yes.
This is a
So they have
stable.
to sit inside, and you see how beautiful inside. Yeah, for the elephants and horses.
And camels.
Yeah, both.
Certainly big enough for an elephant.
Yeah. God of Hindu Ganesha. Please come to close, all of you. Please, our family here. The God of Hindu Ganesha. She's very
So
intelligent.
this is the Muslim wife's kitchen. She's the third wife. Who's very plain, no decorations. She cooked her food there. On this side we have
Jodabai.
Jodabai. This is her kitchen. She was Hindu and she was vegetarian, so they couldn't share. And then Miriam was the second wife. She was Christian and she could eat out of both kitchens because she liked all the food.
And on the top, the ceiling, please to close. And how beautiful decorate on the top. Please locate on top. And all jig-jag design, the Persian design.
Stars in the middle.
Nice spelling.
We've arrived in Agra, the site of the Taj Mahal. And tonight we're going to go see a performance, and in the morning go to the Taj Mahal itself for a tour. It's about 6:30 a.m. and we're here at the Taj Mahal.
Let's go. Cello.
Came from the west, which is good to come in the morning time. If you would have come from that side, then you know, very long line. Beautiful building. It was built by Emperor Shah Jahan, the 5th Mughal Emperor. 5th means the 5th generation king,
Yes.
Shah Jahan, in the memory of his beloved wife called Arjuman Banu Begum. This is what I told you yesterday. So Mumtaz.
Now tell me what I do.
Keep your arms straight.
This one?
Yeah. All fingers together. Yeah.
Like this? This will be interesting. I think it's kind of cute.
Let's see.
This one.
Look at that.
It's hilarious.
It's almost 8 o'clock in the morning here at the Taj Mahal. Sunrise just peeking up there. Just so stunning. So symmetrical. Encircling each of these arches is the Arabic passages from the Quran that go up and around and all the way down here. And the writing on close up here, or the lower levels, is a much smaller font than they use at the top, so that it looks like it's the same size no matter where you look at it. What do you think?
I love it.
The inner core, the
I think it's a
structure,
great
the bricks, and
monument
then the
to
marble
a
is on the
wife.
top.
22 years in construction.
When it's
Yeah.
like this much of thickness,
But they were actually, both husband and wife were buried in the dirt, under the ground. At the far end there is where we entered the Taj Mahal. And these beautiful gardens, a reflecting pool. There's Rebecca with the Taj Mahal behind her. This is both of us with the Taj Mahal behind us.
That's okay.
You want from there? Okay, no problem. Go ahead.
I like all the semi-precious gemstones in it, like the malachite and the coralline and the amber and coral, and turquoise even is in there. Lots of different things.
This is the famous bench where Princess Diana was photographed when she came to visit India. So everybody wants to come and take their photos at this same bench where Princess Di was at.
Well, it's the best view. That's why we like it.
Here's a young child watching videos on his parents' phone while the beautiful Taj Mahal is behind him. What do you think he's more interested in?
One, two, three.
We're taking our life in our hands, crossing this road. Here we are at the Agra Fort. After a morning at the Taj Mahal, we're going to this beautiful fort.
It looks like one after one are getting smaller than the first one, like that. But all are in the same size. That's an illusion.
This is the palace that Shah Jahan built out of lots of white marble, and then he practiced the beautiful inlay of all the flowers and things for the Taj Mahal. Once the workmen were good at it, doing it here, then they built the Taj Mahal. And this is where he was imprisoned by his son for the last 8 years of his life.
In the pagoda-looking building there in the center is where the emperor who built the Taj Mahal was imprisoned by his son for the last years of his life. Becky is getting a crown picture.
You like this face? Yeah.
Let's see.
Are you from Agra or where? Oh, can hear me. Go over there and see if you can.
Talk to Ruth.
Ruth, can you hear me? He's from you. That's so great.
This is Akbar's palace when he moved from that other place.
Came first to Agra, and then he moved the Mughal capital from Agra to Fatehpur Sikri.
Okay.
Okay.
But then he came back.
He
And
via
well, he
Agra
built
he
this.
moved to Lahore.
Oh, he moved to Pakistan after that. But he built this beautiful structure. That's why it's all out of red sandstone.
Like after that, once he moved, he didn't come to this place. No, he often come to visit like here.
Okay.
Okay.
We
So
got it.
you got it? Okay.